Welcome back to Sea Shock. I'm here with Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from the hit TV show Shark Tank. Welcome, Kevin.
Robin, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Well, I'm going to take advantage of the fact that you're here because I don't know anyone else who's seen more products than you and can pick a winner.
Well, you know, I love products. I get so many phone calls from people with new ideas, and I understand we're talking skincare now. Is this what we're talking about?
We are. Yeah, we have Eon 5 here. Now, this product is supposed to help out with acne and brown spots, dry skin, oily skin, aging skin.
Wow.
So this really hits it all.
I got a bunch of all of those.
I know, all of the above right here. Now, this company has been around for 29 years, so it's not a fly-by-night company.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, and this is good for any skin tone, but they would really like to focus on ethnic skins.
You know, that's a very good idea. You know why? Because that's such an underserved marketplace. And I just got off of a red-eye flight, flu, so I've got probably some circles under my eyes. I could use this product, but you know, I love the fact that if I were marketing a product like this, okay, what I would do is I would play up the fact they've got it 29 years. They must have amazing testimonials, right?
Absolutely.
So people that have used this and taken maybe half their face, this side is, you know, look at the dark circles, look at that side.
Yeah.
It's, you know, this transformation, right? So that would be the first thing that I would go back to their customer base. They talk about, you mentioned razor bumps. Okay. I mean, that is a problem, and I know that, you know, when you have that problem, and I know, you know, you'll do anything to solve that problem. So people should try this if they have razor bump issues, right?
Well, and the trend is more going natural as well, and this has no perfumes, waxes, animal products in it, alcohol or caustic agents. So that could be another way that it could be spun.
Right. So this is the kind of thing, you know, there's got to be some great catalogs that you could sell this product.
Yes.
Shopping channels that would want to sell this product. You know, the HSNs, the QVCs, some of the international guys even up in Canada, the Shop Channel in Canada, Toronto. There's also Shop NBC. Shop NBC up in Minneapolis. You know, they sell tons and tons of products. And so, you know, there's one other tip that I would have for a product like this, a product line. I wonder, there's got to be some kind of celebrities that maybe some famous people that have used this,
it, right?
Possibly, you know? You get somebody that is maybe a little well-known, maybe a newscaster or someone in the movies or somebody in TV or something. It's so easy to talk to a celebrity, especially if they've used the product and they like it. So, so that would be another tip to the, you know, to Eon 5 owners.
Well, I like when you said the before and afters, because the one thing that really spoke to me is it has moisture seal without making your skin look oily. And when you have oily skin like I do, you don't want anything to add to that.
Yeah, I mean, it can cause lots of problems. I mean, too much oil causes acne for me, actually.
Right.
So I like that. That's the sealing concept is very cool.
Something else it does is it uses hydraulic abrasive. So it's not going to be taking off layers of your skin. I don't know if you've ever used a harsh abrasive that's taken off those layers, but it uses hydraulic, so basically water.
Yeah, so this sounds like sort of, I mean, I see 5 products. It's like, it's sort of like you've got, you know, everything but the kitchen sink there to be able to take care of, from cleaning and washing and sealing and getting rid of dark spots and razor bumps and, you know, acne. I mean, my goodness, it's, you know, this is an amazing product line. So it sounds to me just a little bit of magical transformation across the board here, and you've got a home run a product line that people should be trying right now.
Now this is a whole system. So we've got the mask base.
Right.
And then we've got the daily skin cleanser.
Okay.
Also the Derma Peel. Now I hear that the mask and the Derma Peel together are a really, really deep clean, which is great.
Yes.
Then also we have Daily Moisture. That's interesting, the Daily Moisture, it's a different consistency.
Yeah, there you go.
And then also we have the cream toner. So this is a whole system that you would purchase. That could be another way that this is really all you need. It has all the basic elements for your skin to stay clean, acne-free.
And so, yes, I mean, in a demonstration on a shopping channel, these are going to be amazing kind of before and afters. You know, I'll bet you people that use this, I mean, first of all, you don't make it 29 years in business if you're not making quality line of products, right? So, so yeah, I think you know, and the underserved market, the ethnic market.
Yeah.
Get rid of the bumps and all of the benefits of the 5-in-1. Pretty powerful little presentation.
So if they're going to focus on that market, do they totally alienate the rest, or they just do a separate marketing campaign to that demographic?
You know, this is the thing. You can go after the ethnic market in its own marketing campaign, and simultaneously you have the other market that you can also go after. But two different marketing campaigns, and you can capture both markets. Now you can't do it with the same ad. You've got to change the creative. And change the testimonials, and then change also, like I mentioned, celebrities. Okay.
Right.
So, you know, from former ball players to some of the TV shows. Some of these shows, they go out, they're on for 2-3 years, and then they're done. And you know, these people, they get used to being on TV, and now, hey, look, let's sign up one of those celebrities. So it doesn't take as much capital to get a big celebrity as you think. Many times you can get them for no money down, even to help you, if they believe in the product. If they believe in the product.
Interesting.
Absolutely.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
So now, would this be something that you're talking about going through the shopping channels? Would you also, in addition, go to the higher end spas? Or would you sell it at a local grocer? What would be the best for something like this?
I think it looks like the kind of product that when it's demonstrated and applied, actually right there, like Safety Harbor Spa, right here in this marketplace, they have people go to get a facial, and as they leave, they're like, what products were you using? And they have them there to sell. So I would think the spa market should be a very attractive way for them to go after large distribution. And once you get a track record going in that marketplace, there's trade shows you can go to where all the spas come. And so, you know, now all of a sudden you get one spa, then the next, and the buzz creates itself in that marketplace. So I also like the whole social media aspect of you know, I say in the old days you went, you know, there was a couple channels broadcasting to millions of people. Nowadays there's millions of channels broadcasting to a few. And this is where you can go after those niche markets and those ethnic markets, the acne markets, etc. So if you have a good social media campaign, you can really get out there and get to millions of people by putting out these little low-cost videos that go out on a daily basis. So that's another major advantage to a product line like this. You could go after those niche markets out in the marketplace.
Kevin, I love your information. It's so invaluable. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure to be here today. So,
so would you give this one a thumbs up?
I'll give it a thumbs up. Absolutely. It's 29 years in business. Yeah, they don't need my thumbs up, though, I think, after that many years of success. So it looks like a good line of products. So
fantastic.
Thanks for asking my opinion.
Yeah. Well, thank you
great.
for joining us, and you will see more right here on C-Shop TV.